I want to do my own wedding makeup. Sounds ridiculous, right? Because मुझे बिल्कुल भी मेकअप नहीं आता है, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत आता है बेसिक, बट प्रॉपर नहीं आता है. So I thought, why not practice? So I am going to practice my own makeup so that I can do my own makeup for my wedding. And let's see how it goes. So I have done my skincare, like I moisturized my skin and everything, and I'll start with eyes क्योंकि mostly makeup artist को मैंने यही करते देखा है. And I have a little clue of what I'm doing, but not exactly. So eyes को हम concealer से prime करते हैं पहले to create a base. I'm going to try this tape method. Let's see if it works. I hope I'm doing this right. I have taped my eyes. It feels a little weird. I'm going to use this palette. This is brand new. I haven't used it yet. This is my first time opening it. I पहले से खोल के रखना चाहिए था. Here's the palette. It's gorgeous. Always tap it out ताकि आपके ब्रश पे जो पाउडर हो वो इवन हो. And start with the outer crease. अगर मैं सीख गई तो I'll buy good brushes. But अभी तो it seems waste of money. This is from Faces Canada, by the way. Now in the outer corner I'm going to use this like slightly orangish color, this one. Just for the outer corner. I'll use the same on my lower lash line as well, but after I conceal my eyes because मैंने अभी कुछ भी base makeup नहीं use किया. And probably तभी मैं shimmer भी लगा. Let's hope it ends up well. I'll just fill in my brows first with this Inside Cosmetic brow gel. I think I should have brushed my brows first with a brush. This will lock in the काजल. तो आपका काजल स्मज इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, मतलब जितना हमने किया है इंटेंशनली उसके अलावा ये स्मज नहीं होगा. अगर मेरी तरह आपका भी काजल लोअर लैश लाइन का फैल जाता है ना, तो अप्लाई सम पाउडर ऑन इट एंड आपका काजल हिलेगा भी नहीं पूरे दिन. उस लोग आप व्हेन यू डू दिस, बट बिकॉज मेरा शीशा नीचे है. and I only have to apply my mascara and liner जो मैं I'll just wipe off any excess in case कुछ नीचे fallouts हुए हो. Okay, and I'll start with the strobe cream. Makes it look super hydrated. Next we'll go with the foundation. You can add your strobe cream to this as well. अच्छी बात है, अभी सारी गलतियाँ कर लूँगी, सीख जाऊँगी. बाकी के फंक्शंस होते हैं ना, हल्दी, मेहंदी, संगीत, all those things, कीर्तन. So for that at least I should be able to do my own makeup, क्योंकि इसके लिए भी पर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट 10-10, 12-12 हज़ार रुपये ले रहे हैं पर इवेंट. ठीक है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम जो 40-50 हज़ार रुपये दे विल बी टेकिंग फॉर द मेन ब्राइडल मेकअप. Of course, for the final event I will get a good makeup artist because I want to look really pretty. It's going to be a very special day. रोज रोज नहीं आता भाई आपकी शादी का दिन, तो of course I want to look. I hope I'm going the correct direction. And we will seal this all up with our compact. Is it my shade? Is it my shade? Is it a shade darker? This is the one I use. This is my shade. It's clear. Now it's time for my favorite step, setting spray. Keeps hydrating your skin. It makes your makeup last longer. It makes the powders blend with the creams. It's like a peachish coral color, and I'm going to use it for the first time. This is the blush that I usually use. It's like nice muted pink. So there are two very different shades. So I'm excited to use this one. Did I use too much? This लैक्मे का आई लाइनर आई बीन यूजिंग सिंस माई कॉलेज डेज, और कॉलेज में मैं इसलिए यूज़ करती थी बिकॉज ये अफोर्डेबल था, बट अब मुझे इसकी आदत हो गई है. देन वी विल हैव दी मस्कारा. I have really sensitive eyes. This is the lipstick. Very great. मैं एकदम नहीं लगा सकती, इतनी हिम्मत नहीं आई मुझ में. I think it looks good. Not without fix it.